Hello all, my name is Krish Naik and welcome to my YouTube channel. So guys, I am super excited to announce a new live bootcamp which focuses specifically for industry professionals wherein we are going to learn about how to learn AI by using modern route. Now, in this specific batch, we are going to focus on full stack generative AI and agentic AI applications, wherein we are just not going to discuss about how to create applications using different kind of LLMs, but instead we focus on more on fine tuning. We focus on building AI agents from scratch and even solve complex workflows which are specifically required in the industries. So more about this particular batch, please make sure to watch this video till the end because I'm also going to give you a specific roadmap like how you should probably use modern route in order to learn AI. Very much important for industry professionals, okay, who are having a couple of years of experience, who know Python programming language, who wants to quickly get into generative AI and agentic AI development, specifically where you focus on developing AI agents, okay. So to talk more about this batch, the batch will be starting from March 15th, 2026, and the classes will be on every Saturday and Sunday. This batch will be going ahead like for 6 months. 6 months will be more than sufficient to cover all the syllabus, and then the classes will be from Saturday and Sundays, 8 p.m. to 11 p.m. IST. Okay. To talk more about this, what all things we are basically going to cover, let's go ahead and first of all understand the entire roadmap, how we are going to cover this full stack generative AI and agentic AI bootcamp. So first of all, over here, this is the path that I currently follow, and definitely this specific path is required even in industries. Recently, I had attended AI Impact Summit, which happened in New Delhi. Okay, and when I really went to the expo to just explore the kind of use cases that companies are developing, right? They definitely focused more on agentic AI, they focused more on generative AI, right? And along with that, we could see a lot of applications where they focused on building agents which were able to solve some complex workflows, and these all things they were selling to their customers, their clients, right? In the case of like a B2B product or a B2C product, right? They were developing some amazing applications. Already, if you know or we have seen my previous videos, in Krish Naik Academy, we are focusing this three main paths, right? One path I say usually as traditional route, okay? So this is one of the path that we follow, that is traditional route. Then you have modern route, then you have advanced route. Now, in case of traditional route, last month we have launched a batch which is called as Ultimate Data Science, UDS 2.0 UDS. Now, this specific batch was important for anyone who do not know anything about AI. They're starting from completely basics from scratch. So any person, whether you're an experienced, you want to get started with AI, you don't know anything about programming language, you don't know even Python programming language, and you really need to start from basics to build your fundamentals. So in this specific batch, we focus on data science first, we focus on mastering DS, ML, CV, NLP, then you add generative AI skills, and then you add agentic AI skills. The next path, which had amazing requirements, was about modern route because they are people who are already from tech background, who know programming language like Python, who have technical skills, who are working in different projects. Let's say you're a fresher, you are an experienced professional, you are even in the architecture position, and you really want to quickly get started into generative AI and agentic AI, start building agent AI agents, then this modern route is important. Now, for this particular modern route, we focus on generative AI first, then we master Gen AI, then we go ahead and add agentic AI skill sets. We start building agents. We cover different frameworks like LangChain, LangGraph, different frameworks we have also included in our syllabus, which I will be showing you. Okay, and then parallelly, you can also go ahead and learn DS fundamentals. Now, in this particular batch, that the announcement that I'm actually making is for this particular path. That is nothing but full stack Gen AI and agentic AI bootcamp. Okay, so this entire course is basically targeting the modern route. So in Krish Naik Academy, we are going to only follow these three paths. The third path, which is the advanced route, here we are going to introduce some specialized course, right? Specialized course basically means like you want to only focus on, agentic AI, building AI agents. You want to probably go ahead and focus on building rags, right? So like rags, like agentic AI agents, right? Where we cover almost everything with respect to advanced topics we will be covering in this advanced route. But right now our target is basically to start one batch in March 15th. And again, here you will be able to see that this two dedicated batch will be once in a year, right? When we talk about this one and we talk about this one, right? And then we only focus on advanced batches which will be coming up in the future. And this particular batch will be only focused for people who want to do advanced learning in the specific field, like RAG, like AI agents and all. But here also we are covering AI agents. We are covering almost everything in GenAI, Agentic AI. We are covering multiple frameworks, and then we also cover GenAI completely from basics, where we start like transformers. We understand the architecture of transformers, and we keep on building things, right? Along with this, we cover a lot of end-to-end projects, and this end-to-end projects will be like a production grade projects where we cover each and everything. Okay, with deployment, we try to cover different cloud platforms like AWS, Azure, and all. Uh, we'll talk more about this when we go ahead and see the syllabus. Okay, so this batch is specifically for the modern route. For whom it is? Anybody, any experienced professional, any freshers who want to quickly get into Gen AI and Agentic AI, because nowadays requirements are there for the particular company. So at the end of the day, let's say if you're starting this, only the prerequisite is that you need to know Python programming language. A good amount of basic amount of machine learning, deep learning is more than sufficient, right? So here we will go through this specific path. As I said, the batch starts from 15th March 2026, and then the timing will be 8 p.m. to 11 p.m. IST, okay, where we cover all this particular syllabus, right? Uh, Usually after the class, we also take doubt clearing sessions. So here we are saying 3 hours, it may also go till 4 hours, right? So that is the entire information about this. But according to the trend that is currently going on, we are focusing on understanding what kind of people, what kind of skill sets is basically required in the companies. And based on that, we are designing each and every core curriculums, cohort, or boot camps specifically designed for you. Okay. Now, let's go back to this. So here you'll be able to see what all detailed things we are actually covering. Now, in order to understand the syllabus, if you go ahead and click on Enroll now, here you'll be able to see incognito mode, like I'm just opening in incognito mode. So here are the entire information, mentors, everybody. Here the course syllabus that we have designed. This course syllabus is quite amazing because you just see the syllabus, right? From fine tuning to mastering LLM to building agentic AI application to deploy to use managed cloud LLM API services. Everything is basically covered, right? So here you'll be able to see, we'll start with foundation of modern Gen AI, where we understand about transformer architecture. We start from text encoding and tokenization, evolution of text representation, embedding vector spaces, understanding SLMs and multimodal LLMs, then API for accessing LLMs. We cover almost every different kind of from OpenAI to Grok to OpenRouter to AWS to GCP, everything. Then we go ahead with the fine tuning techniques, LLM hosting on your own server, exposing on as an API, prompt engineering, retrieval augmented generation, advanced RAG and multi-model system, agents, multi-agents, and deep agent systems. So we cover almost everything from evaluation strategies to guardrails. Everything we are basically covering over here. Even MCP is also covered, because MCP is also required nowadays in order to probably do some amazing work in your company, right? From cloud services also we are using like AWS, Azure, and all. No code agent tools also will be using, where we cover NA10 and all. Along with that, we also cover a lot of different projects which you can actually see in the syllabus. Okay, so all this information you'll be able to see it over here. One amazing thing is that along with this batch, we are also providing you, let's say you want to probably go ahead and see the entire recordings. We also you want to go ahead and learn in a fast-paced mode. We are also providing the previous batch access, which you will be able to gain. Okay, along with this particular batch, the previous batch access also will be available. So for with this, you'll be able to see that the previous batch access, you will be able to get it. Okay, previous batch access of modern route, where we focus on NLP, generative AI, agentic AI. We are going to cover that also. Okay, and we are going to provide that as an access. Along with this, the batch access, like all the recordings after the class live session is done, the recordings will also be available in your dashboard. Okay, recording will also be available in your dashboards. uh, the validity of these recordings will be somewhere around 1.5 year, right, which will be more than sufficient. The reason why we are making 1.5 year, because after that many changes will be basically coming up, and when we come up with the future batches, we are also making going to make sure that we also provide you the if you're taking the new batch, we also provide you the previous batch access and all, right, so that you also see like how much changes is basically happening. Okay, now, till one amazing offer right now we are running, right? If you just go ahead and use Krish 15 and you just apply the coupon, we are providing you 15% off. Okay. Now, in this 15% off, you will be able to save somewhere around 1,000 rupees. The cost of the course right now, yeah, initially it was 8,000. Now you'll be able to get it in 6,800. And this also includes the GST fees. So 6 months of batch, 6,800 including GST. That basically means 5,000 for the batch, which is more than feasible. I think for everyone to probably go ahead and join it. Okay. So all the information regarding this will be provided in the description of this particular video. I will also provide you the counseling team number if you have any queries, whom to probably join, even though I've explained it perfectly over here. If you want to quickly get started into generative AI and agentic AI, you have basic knowledge of machine learning, deep learning, Python programming language, prerequisite, Python is specifically required. I think you should be able to go ahead and start this specific batch. Okay. And again, as said, this is one of a type of a batch. Only in a year we probably launch this flagship batches, like ultimate data science, like modern route. For that was for the traditional route, this is for the modern route. And yes, for the advanced route we will be coming up with more specialization in the future. But we don't launch batch regularly. We focus more on teaching you in a way that it impacts your career, right? So I hope you like this particular video. I think I've covered almost each and everything. You can just go ahead and check out all the syllabus, what all things we are basically covering along with the syllabus and all. You'll also be able to get the dashboard access, and the dashboard access will be provided for 1.5 years. Yeah. So yeah, this was it from my side. Let's see what all things we can actually do with this, and we are also making sure that if new things probably come up, right, we'll try to include that things also in this particular batch in the course duration within this specific 6 months, right? So yeah, this was it from my side. I'll see you in the next video. Have a great day ahead. Thank you, one all. Take care. Bye bye.